Hello friends. Hello friends. We learn about the ETABS. What is the ETABS? ETABS is the extended three-dimensional analyzing of the building structures. Thereafter, what is the uses? Uses. Multiple stories of building is analyzed. The design. The model tools are temperature code based on the loads parameters analyzing methods and solution technicals and like geometry, structures and supports. These are the loads and combinations will be given the structure. Then after, click on the ETABS software. When the opening of the ETABS software, interface will like this. Then after, go to the new modeling. Then after, this is the uses of the previous depth settings. This is for modeling files. Previous files will be already. We should draw and plans. We can easily. We can click on this. We can easily change the files. Then I want to draw a new structure. Go to use wind in the settings with. Click on this option. Then after, display units is the SI units and the steel section is the database is India, steel code and concrete code. This is the constant. This is the also constant. Then after, click on OK. Then after, click on update. OK. We should grid dimension and the storage dimensions will be added. Okay. We should add it directly here. We can add it here. I want to change the I want to change the story, one story to another story, another story to another story. We want to different stories. This but different height meters. So what can be? Customer grid spacing. We should select and edit the grid data. Click on edit the grid data. Then after we can this is the coordinates, which is known as here to here and here to here. This points to this point. This is the distance between the coordinates points. I want to change the display grid data spacing. Here we want to change the here. I want to change the 6 meters. Sorry, 2 meters. Here I want to change the 4 meters. I want to change the 6 meters. I want to spacing between the 2 to 2. Here 2, here 4, and here 6. We can see the which type of sizes. Here we can see the length of the x direction and y direction. We can see the x direction and y direction. Then after, click on OK. Next, this is the which between the x to x directions, how many beams and columns we should use. Y direction, beams and columns, how many directions will be given the we should calculate the grid dimension plan for it. This is the story. What is meant by story? Story is known as the floors. This is the 4 floors. I want to increase the 6 floors. This is the story of the bottom story to story base 0. I mean the bottom story to first story. This is the 3 meters. 3 to 4. 4. I mean what type of? This is a room height. story height. This is the story height. I want to change the story height. Go to the custom story data. Click on custom story data and edit story. We can easily change the here. Then after click on OK. Next, we should select the grid only. First, we should selecting only concrete building design. So we should select the grid only. Then after click on OK. Then after when the click on OK, the interface like this. We can see here 2 meters, 4 meters, and 6 meters. Here I need the another I want to another pillar here. What edit? Go to edit and grid lines. Add the grid lines. Okay, we want to change the grid option. Go to edit option and edit the storage and grid system. Click on in this can modify the showing the grid. We can easily change the here 2, 4, 6. Yeah. 2, 4, 6. I want to add the yeah, 6, 8. I want to I was given the equal length and equal you know click on OK. In the storage of 4 storage system, I want to add storage, replace and click on OK. Then after we should do the define. In define, material properties will be taken, and in material properties we want to add the materials. In the materials we can add the here India. Here first we should take the concrete, then after we should take the steel and click on OK. Then after here will be added. I did not add it. Will be added here. Next, section properties. In section properties, we should add the frame sections. We should delete this all the properties. Delete multiple select the delete multiple properties and click on left click and select all delete frame sections. Then after click on OK. Then after add new property. In the add new properties we should add the concrete. In the add, first of all we added the beam and columns we should add it. Then after we should go to the modify source and first we should give the beams. Which type of beams? In the first we should add the beams or columns. We should add first from which in the general data we should add the beam. We should add it here. Click on the beam. When we here click on the column, we should modify the column. Then after here we click here, we can easily add the properties, which is the steel properties will be added. Then after next click on OK. Then click on OK. Here we should change the direction, which we can take in the assume. Here the material, we should give the material, which type of material we was taken in the material properties. Then after we should go to define and section properties. We should give the slab also. We should slab means we can this is a slab is the we can easily modify then or add the properties. Then after we should go to the define and go to the load parameter. We can assign the load parameters. After the load parameters, and here we can either pick a beam, columns, and elevations. We should draw the analysis the we should keep the here all stories. When we keep the all stories, it will be act on the top of the slab surface, beam or columns up to downwards. And then after we should give the beams, and next we give the columns. Then after we give the draw the rectangular floors, and then after we give the slab thickness. Then after we should assign the these all the properties. Then after we go to the analyzing the loads and analyzing the supports and the diaphragm. Then after go to the load combination, and after the load combination we will check we can analyzer, we can go to the analyze and check model. Then after run run analyzer. Then after the run analyzer, go to the table. What type of which table we should go. In the display, open the display, then go to the showing the table. Then after it will be coming the values. We should select the combination, what type of combinations we should select it. Then after go to the design, and go to the detailing the rebar section rules will be available. In the rebar section will be open with the rebar section. We can easily see the figure. That's it. Thank you.